Hello kids, how are you? Welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name: blue color, yellow color, black color, red color, green color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids first draw A. A is for apple. A is for ant. And use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw B. B is for ball. B is for bat. Kids again use blue color and draw C. C is for cat. C is for car. Kids now draw D. D is for dog. D is for doll. And use yellow color. E. E is for egg. E is for elephant. Kids again use yellow color and draw F. F is for fish. F is for fan. Kids now draw G. G is for God. G is for glass. And use black color. H. H is for hen. H is for helicopter. Kids again use black color and draw I. I is for ice. I is for ice cream. Kids now draw J. J is for joker. J is for jackfruit. And use red color. K. K is for kite. K is for king. Kids again use red color and draw L. L is for lion. L is for lemon. Kids now draw M. M is for moon. M is for mango. And use green color. Kids again use green color and draw N. N is for nose. N is for nest. Kids now draw O. O is for orange. O is for octopus. And use yellow ochre color. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw P. P is for parrot. P is for penguin. Kids now draw Q. Q is for queen. Q is for quail. Kids now draw R. R is for rose. R is for rice. And use blue color. Kids again use blue color and draw S. S is for sun. S is for snake. Kids now draw T. T is for teacher. T is for tiger. Kids now draw U. U is for umbrella. U is for uncle. And use yellow color. Kids again use yellow color and draw V. V is for van. V is for vanilla. Kids letter W. W is for wolf. W is for watch. Kids letter X. X is for X-ray. X is for Xmas tree. And use black color. Black color. Y. Y is for yak. Y is for yo-yo. Kids again use black color and draw Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Kids now draw numbers. And first we draw 1. The numbers of 1 and use red color. Red color. O and 1. Kids again use red color and draw 2. T, W or 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3. T, H, R, W, 3. The numbers of 3. Kids now 4. The numbers of 4 and use green color. Green color. F, O, U or 4. Kids again use green color and draw 5. The numbers of 5. F, I, V, E, 5. Kids again use green color and draw 6. The numbers of 6. S, I, X, 6. Kids now 7. The numbers of 7. S, E, V, E and 7. Kids now 8. The numbers of 8 and use yellow ochre color. Yellow ochre color. E, I, G, H, T, 8. Kids again use yellow ochre color and draw 9. The numbers of 9. N, I, N, E, 9. Kids now 10. The numbers of 10. T, E and 10. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.